foot in your left hand and make a right hand while your left ears. Batty boy, pussy and don't move till 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 get a hit song. You hear me? Boss the media party.
Don't move till 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 get a hit song.
Reaction.
If me wrong, me hold me composure. And a soldier, after all, me know what me stand for. More them teach we learn. Bumbuckler. Big up Raging King. What's ready to be some TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? Back in the fragrance, we heard a song from Demarco, child abuse. The dog is beating fully part people. The war continues. You feel me? I was in the mood to do any videos today. I get up and I gave you all the massacre reaction at like 3 a.m. this morning. 3 a.m. this morning, yes. And I posted that motherfucking video early as fuck. And I wasn't in the mood to do any videos throughout the day. You know me? So I wasn't gonna come and give you no lame ass videos. So that's why I chilled. I chilled and I waited. Now I'm gonna give you all the reaction. We're gonna see what's going on. Demarco, child abuse. I heard Demarco saying he might beat and teach him. I think I talk to him, they get straight to the lashing though. Right tune!
You just say some bird gun them up.
Yeah.
A bird gun them.
Yeah.
Them not kill nobody. Them a batty boy.
It sound like it's 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 too. Even though he was the one bird that everybody I use again. You see me? 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 this one here. He didn't see a bird gun dog I use in that video. Voila!
You just say some bird gun them up. A bird gun that. Them not kill nobody. Them a batty boy. Batty boy me kill you.
Yeah!
I want to some boy you can't touch. How the fuck do you put?
Straight off the bottom clip out of the waist. So, ooh, you talk about burn up.
Pussy, you can't touch you. Your face one got you. Me here said the bait over care man. Fuck you, the care me. I hear me no fear man, no crew. Fully pad said him go a graveland, no true. Graphic and grimy, him tap it them tiny. Pussy them vex through the African sign. Make a boy man.
Oh Lord, he turned it back around and y'all, man. He said y'all vex because y'all vex because African signed him. But the best because he get signed right here. Oh no jealous? Oh no jealous? Oh gosh, run it!
Giant have to clash with man wisely. Me as a pinky put in I'm batty man diary. What? Pussy they done from Samak and the bus lift. Who full lyrics so God a man a walk list. Talk about shit belly chow, the man a must fish. Peace as a kill the batty. Pinky put in I'm batty man diary. What? Pussy they done from Samak and the bus lift.
Yeah.
Who full lyrics so God a man a walk list.
Yeah.
Talk about shit belly chow, the man a must fish. What? Peace as a kill the batty boy, we need justice. Who that a Jude from the scope that a suck dick. Come
and him said, I know me. But the dog said, hold on, burn back.
No bus lift. Who full lyrics so God a man a walk list. Talk about shit belly chow, the man a must fish.
People say I be a shit belly lyrics that I put in them song in the last song when fully bad job. I know me say it and him I say it. People are say it in the comment section. So I be a shit belly argument you want to talk about. But he did do some counteraction. No, respect that. I could hear some more.
Peace as a kill the batty boy, we need justice.
what?
That a Jude from the scope that a suck dick. Come in I'm on, make you suck up the nuts bitch. Pussy a my ex-wife, Terry that you just did. The peace as a kill the batty boy, we need justice. Alright, what else? Make me
because I know say like when the comment from video them that gonna say, oh, I never another Demarco woman that named Terry, but I'm ex-wife.
counteract it. The do-way line you chat pussy your out a pocket. Not Judy tell yourself it's swallow and don't drop a bit. And if your mouth drop a drip a be alone. Sack a kick Coraline clot him no see him throat that a slit. Two in a your dumb pussy them a fall a wallet them they a road a panic. I'm torn that a deep pussy big 45 and a phone a mic.
Fuck but him so pussy my teeth. Alright.
Hold on, undo what?
Fall a wallet them they a road a panic. I'm torn that a deep pussy big 45 and a phone a mic.
Fuck but him so pussy my teeth.
Alright, make me read more file. Him a go run left Jamaica like B-Mobile. Pussy go look at work and clean floor tile. When you counteract them lyrics, teeth more line. Watch your video, through the tear and I'm teeth all time. Yeah, you have to watch it back like 3-4 times. Move your
You gonna say 40.
blood clot with your little bird gun. Flick your body 9-9. Your friend I sip the first round. Fuck your bitch, then me put the dick on your girl tongue. Uno no say foolish shit a world bomb. Bag of money drag way. A bag you grab go. Drop this tomorrow, them a bury by Saturday. Tell the truth, you no see every line slap way. Tell the fool, tell the sprat say you crash Benz, I go buy Mark X, downgrade that.
Don't say it. Never gonna say it. Marco say it yourself. He say it himself. He say it himself. You crash Benz, say you go downgrade to a Mark X. But Mark X a hard carry the Mark. You have to tap your badness. Tap it. A hard carry that. Tap it.
Song won't play back, them like that, look like the old shape that. Yo dog, every song from your mouth same chat. Time now for your burial, them for wear black. The little fans them a change out like a gearbox. And despite me just a rhyme now, cause a straight shot. The little pussy I go die now, what a place hot.
You done?
Fucking fool. If you ever hear that. Go in that corner, no. Pussy, no. Right foot in your left.
I saw them put all the punishment, you put your foot in there. You do so put all the pot up here. I said, no move. Oh gosh.
In that corner, no.
Yeah.
Pussy, no. Right foot in your left and I make a right hand while your left ears. Batty boy, pussy and don't move till Coyote get a hit song. You hear me? Boss the media party.
Don't move till Coyote get a hit song. You don't even mention Coyote in his song until the end of the cover. You might, you up on level all of that to chat about Coyote to say Coyote to move up to Claro, man. Because you want to come running for the man war. You see me I say? Man, I say Coyote are not even big artists fully bad.
When them know about Doe and Daddy.
Oh, then say he would never, he not go respond to Coyote because, yeah, he not clash Coyote.
You be proud of the army. I be your head boss of the Yama Valley. That's how we bust the media party. While Tom Scarecrow real chargy. Short man tell him be a dead body. Yo, a jal.
That's good. Big up all of Jerusalem too. That's the Muslim with Jamaica. Make everybody run a Jerusalem. That's me I say, yeah man, big up all of blood clot Jerusalem. Anyways, song bad. You know about this is not the bad song in the war. That's me I say. For me the bad song in the war actually why am I fully dead? You see me I say the one that the body sang in the war. For me, you see me I say full dead from Demarco when you have the K and I must drop with the AK and I coach. You see me that one that the body sang for me in the war. That song yeah, it's alright I guess. You see me I say the war I get kinda still to me now. No, I go on. No. I can't happy when fully bad job says. Fully bad job next song yeah man. You know what I mean? That one I never hit for me. That one I never hit for me. You see me I say? So if we're not going to compare that one to fully bad last song, I give it to fully bad. But them last two songs are, to me, personally, weak. The last two songs I'm dropping at the war. But if we not compare them to a third song, this everybody, you see me I say, Demarco drop 3 and fully bad drop 3. You see me I say? Some people say 2-1, some people say 2-2, some people say 3-0, 2-0. I give that one, that 2 year, I give this. Our fully bad song name in Japan there, Demarco. So this Demarco actually beat up Chyld abuse, my opinion. You see me I say. So Demarco, you can get that one day. You see me I say, in my opinion. And then between David Murder Goliath and Fully Dead, you know say Fully Dead get that one there already. And then the first two, Fully Pad and Fully Pad and the next one. I don't remember the name of Fully Dead first song, but only tell me which one of them sound better in the comment section. Anyways, I'll leave in the right to say, I'm Russian Boss and sign out. Peace.